Good morning student, welcome to the online classes of Mount Brescia School. As you know, I am teaching you English literature. In the previous video, I have completed poem 1. I have given the book exercise and notes of poem 1. I hope you all have learned. So today I am going to start with a new chapter, that is chapter 2. Mother, tell us a story. This one is the chapter. Okay, so please take it out. And as we know that storytelling goes back to ancient time, long time before writing was invented. So from where did the stories come from? So different cultures establish a different origin of stories in a different way. So this is the popular folk tale, means mother tell us a story. This is a popular folk tale from Africa, which describes that how a woman found stories for her children. So before starting this story, let me show you the characters in the story. These are the characters in which Manza is the main character. Okay, she is only the woman who has found stories for her children, and Jinjal is Manza's husband. The land of a spirit people, from where Manja has finally find out the stories, and these are the characters through them Manja has, means these are the characters to which Manja has reached for the stories, that is hare, fenny, owl, elephant, eagle, turtle. Okay, so now let's start the story. So before starting, I want to show you the page. So this is the page from where the story start. So you can see that few words are underlined in this page. So you please underline these words for spelling. Okay. Now let's start. Mother, tell us a story, Maja's children said when they sat around the fire at night. As we all knows that children are very fond of hearing stories from their elders, either from the grandfathers, grandparents, or from their parents. Same way, Maja's children also wants to hear the stories from her, hear some story from her parents, and so they have asked to her mother. Manja could not think of a story, however hard she thought. No one else in the village knew stories. Manja has thought very deeply that what stories she should tell to her children, but she could not find out a story in her mind. Not only Manja, in the whole village, no one knew story. So the village where the story-seeking children lived was in Zululand in Africa. So we are talking about Zululand. This is only the village where Manja children, and we are talking about this village only, and it is in Africa. People hunted for meat or till the land in the village, and what the peoples are doing for getting food, they are hunting the meat and they are preparing the land to grow crops. Sometimes they feast or caught crabs. So sometimes they also, in spite of hunting the meat, also they are fishing and catching the crabs for their food. The villagers, who were clever with their hands, wove baskets and made wooden carvings. So what the villagers are doing, means what is their work? They are sometimes they are weaving the baskets, or sometimes they are carving the woods, means they are carved with some tools, different type of pictures in the wood. The cleverest of them was Jinjal, Manja's husband. He carved bird, trees, plants, flowers, and animals. So among all the villagers who knows how to weave baskets and carve wooden and carve the wooden carvings, Manja's husband Jinjal is the most cleverest among all the villagers. He knew all the type of things to carve, means he knew how to carve the picture of a bird, animals, plant, trees. Okay, so he is the cleverest. However, he knew no stories. But Ginger don't know any stories as that of Manja. One day, Ginger told Manja, "Go look for stories. I will look after our home and children." When Manja's and Ginger's children started telling every day to tell some story to them, they think Manja and her husband think that they must go and look for stories. So what happened? Ginger has told to Manja to go and look for stories, and he has also told her wife, means Manja, that he will look after the children and the home. Okay, so students, today up to this much I have taught, so you please go through this. Okay, in the next video I will continue this chapter. Thank you.